Indian police on Tuesday arrested two youth on the allegation of being overground workers in North Kashmir's Baramulla district. The youth were arrested during a cordon and search operation jointly carried out by Indian Army, Central Reserve Police Force and Indian Police. The detained youth were identified as Khurshid Ahmed Khan and Raz Ahmed Khan. A parallel event was organized under International Human Rights of American Minorities at the 52nd session of the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva. Referring to the Indian nationalist government at New Delhi, Barrister Trambu emphasized that whatever changes are being made and demographic changes in the pipeline, nothing will diminish the Kashmiris' right to self-determination. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference has slammed the Modi regime on selection and the award of contracts to a tainted and blacklisted Indian company, APHC, for conducting the upcoming Jammu and Kashmir Services Selection Board exams. Spokesperson Imran Nabidar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the company has been penalized by the Indian Supreme Court and is in the blacklist of various Indian states. Why is such a company being selected, which has consistently failed to provide transparency in conducting such an examination? Indian police raided the residences of Kashmiri women leaders Yasmin Raja and Zamruda Habib in Srinagar and vandalized their properties. The police personnel barged into the houses of Kashmiri women leaders, ransacked the goods, harassed the families, and seized important documents including house registries and party letterheads. APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, strongly condemned the brutal act of Indian police and said that such an action against women Hurriyat leaders are unfortunate and warrant the attention of global human rights organizations. House of veteran journalist and former bureau head of London-based news agency Reuters, Sheikh Mushtaq, was destroyed in a suspicious incident of devastating fire in Srinagar. People close to the family said the fire appeared in the first floor of the house at around 9 a.m. in Indranagar area of the city. People, including traders and fruit growers, have said that they have been facing losses due to the frequent closure of Srinagar Jammu highway. The authorities frequently close the highway, resulting in the halting of vehicles, including the trucks laden with fruits and other fruit items in Meher and Panthial area of Ramban. Tons of apples had rotten when large numbers of trucks could not move due to the closure of highway for days in September 2020. A female student from occupied Kashmir suffered serious injuries after being attacked by Hindutva goon with a dagger in New Delhi on Tuesday morning. The female student suffered abdominal injuries in the incident and was shifted to a nearby hospital. Harshdev Singh, former minister and senior National Panthers Party leader, has criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party government for ruthlessly trampling upon the rights of the Kashmiri people, resulting in alienation amongst the general masses. While addressing a gathering in Udhampur, he said the Kashmiris were mystified by the abrupt abrogation of Article 370 and they had expressed their strong opposition to the dismantling of 200 years old historical state of Jammu and Kashmir.